So what's good, y'all? Today we're making some Cajun seasoning. So you can take a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, mix that thing in there right. Then you'll take a teaspoon of some of that chili powder. Mix that thing in there right quick, Get it all mixed up, you know what I'm saying? You want the spices to merge. You'll take a teaspoon of that garlic powder. Make sure that thing is right. Then I'm gonna grab some brown sugar out there, the pantry. I'm gonna put a little bit in there, just to give it a little bit of sweet and spice, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit. You don't want to put too much in there. You don't want to put too much in there, but, put about a teaspoon or two, maybe 3. Depending on how much you want on there. Mix that thing up. Mix it all together. Make sure all the flavors is merged together. You don't want none separate. You know what I'm saying? You want everything to mesh together, so when you put that, you put it on top of whatever you putting it on, all the seasonings together. Big happy family, you dig? Then once you have it all mixed up, put that thing in a jar of some sort, whatever you want to put it in, some type of container to keep it concealed, you know what I'm saying, to hold it, till you get ready to use it. And there you are, homemade Cajun seasoning. I'm out.